All right. Hi, everyone. My name is Lucas Murphy. I'm a peer financial coach with the UO Financial Wellness Center, where our mission is to financially empower students with the knowledge needed to make sound financial decisions during and after college. So I just recently hosted an Investing 101 workshop where we covered the basics that every new investor should be familiar with. I'm going to do a quick recap of the workshop, and if you'd like to check out the whole thing, we have uploaded a recording to both our website, financialwellness.uoregon.edu, as well as our YouTube channel, where you can find us at UO Financial Wellness. So please do feel free to check it out. In this workshop, we covered what exactly investing is, why one should consider investing, the different types of investments and their associated risks and returns. We also provided a few helpful resources that new investors can use to their advantage. And finally, we discussed the process of picking a broker. And so for the learning outcomes of this workshop, hopefully students will be able to understand what exactly investing is, the long-term nature of investing for your future, the different types of investments that are available, and how to pick a broker and understand the fees that are associated with them, if any. And so here you can see that investing is the act of allocating resources, usually money, with the expectation of generating an income or profit. And so the graph on the right shows us a hypothetical illustration of investing versus saving. So you can see that the investing line on top is associated with much higher returns than the saving line on the bottom. But with investing, it is also associated with much more risk than saving, which can be seen in all of the fluctuations in the investing line. And this risk reward trade-off is a fundamental aspect of investing, and we touch on it a lot more in the full workshop. And so here we covered why one should invest, and those reasons include, with investing, you might outpace inflation or the decline in the buying power of the dollar. Additionally, you can earn and accumulate much more with the power of compounding interest, another fundamental aspect of investing that is covered in the workshop. And finally, just saving alone without investing might not be enough for your future goals. And so here we covered the three main categories of investments: cash investments, debt or bond investments, and equity investments, as they fall on the investment spectrum. On the left-hand side of the spectrum are lower risks, lower returns, and shorter timeframes, while on the right are higher risks, potentially higher returns, and a longer time frame. We can see that cash investments like a savings account are the least risky with the lowest returns, and equity investments like stocks are the most risky but provide the highest returns, and debt investments or bonds fall in the middle of the two. And so hopefully after watching the full workshop, you'll be able to leave with an understanding that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Think long-term and understand that the returns that we desire take time. There aren't shortcuts. Additionally, understand that extensive research is imperative before making any financial decision, whether that may be deciding on a broker or deciding on an investment. Do your research, don't just follow the trends. Along with understanding that becoming familiar with different investment vehicles and different industries within the market will be very beneficial to you as you progress as an investor. And finally, understand that you can start investing in your future and generating returns, even if you have limited capital to start off with. Like I said, it's a marathon, not a sprint. And even if it's something small, like $10 a week, that's a great start and puts you ahead of a lot of people. So thank you guys for watching this recap of our Investing 101 workshop. And if you'd like to learn more, please do check out the full recording as well as our other recorded workshops at either our website, financialwellness.uoregon.edu, or our YouTube channel at UO Financial Wellness. Thanks, guys.